Hello, this is Project 1 from Web Systems, and we are Group 4, and we are a team of 4 people: Lakshman Reddy, myself, Sheshu Verma, Sharmila, Prima. Our app name is URL Generator, and our app URL is respective Facebook exercise which is deployed, and our functionality. Our functionality is nothing but we will sign up using the Facebook respective Facebook account. From that Facebook account, we will get some images in our UI. We retrieve some images from UI, and the user can select the images. That images will generate the labels. From that labels, we will generate a URL. We will search that labels in the Google, and we will generate a URL, and we will print that URL in the UI. So this is the functionality that the URL consists of images of the respective labels. And now we can go to a wiki page, and this is the basic introduction which I have told. So uh, now I want to go to the code or introduction. Here the basic overview of our project is like the user can upload the picture of his own, uh, click on a picture from the respective images from which are shown from the FB, and by clicking on the respective photo, or with the Google data store will verify with the help of unique key ID in the entity of the data store. If the photo is not if not, the photo will be sent to the Google Cloud Vision. Okay, the API will process the image and generate the labels. The processed image will be stored in the blob image in entity, which also include as fields like image name, label, label name, etc. So the labels which are above 70% of processed image will be stored as a field of entity in the data store. So we'll retrieve the image from the blob as a blob with the help of a unique key image name from the data store, and we will even store the respective labels in the data store. So this is the overview. So by that we will retrieve the labels. From the labels by using the Jacob, we'll search in the Google, and we will get the respective URL, which consists of images. Uh, and we will display that in the UI. So this is the overview of our project. Now let's go to the Eclipse IDE, and here in our project there are two JavaScript files and two JSP files which are important. Uh, in this Cloud Vision .java, in this Cloud Vision .java, it actually this does like invoke the Cloud Vision API. It fetches the label a label for the images which we have selected from the data store, and it will retrieve the image ID or respective URLs and label from the data store. That is done in the Google Cloud Vision, uh, and these user images from the data store, that is done in the Cloud Vision .java. So, and the next one is a home.jsp. Home.jsp is nothing but the interface to select the images from the Facebook. The respective images which are in the Facebook are displayed in the home page, and we can select the images. User can select the images. For that, the labels are generated. So that is written here. So you can choose the image from the Facebook, and so that is written in home.jsp. Coming to labels.jsp. In label.jsp, the response from the servlet and Cloud Vision uh, are here, and we're able to even display the URL, respective URL from the after generating the labels, after hitting the uh, a thing in the Google, right? You will get a URL. That URL also displayed here. And coming to this get images servlet.java, here we will get the labels from the Google Cloud Vision API. That labels, that respective labels, we send to the JSO. So, and we will hit the Google URL. So by hitting this, but we will actually will convert all the labels into a string, and we are giving input to here, and we will get the particular URL as the output. That URL is displayed in our respective uh, UI. So if you click on that URL, we are able to get the images for the labels which we have generated for the Facebook images. So this is regarding the code. Um, and the next one, let's go for the demo. FB app demo. Yeah, this is the application. This I have a deploy. I'll show the deploy also. We can click here and Google's deploy standard app engine. I selected a particular account of a respective account and I deploy. So if I deploy here, I got this deployed link. That deployed link, I can click like choose image from the Facebook. So this is thing. I want to continue as my credentials as Shiva. So I'm logging with my FB account. So these are my these are my photos from my Facebook. So the I want we can click any of the images here to generate the labels. So I want to generate the label here. So I generated the labels, and with these labels I want to search the respective images regarding the automobile, lightning, mobile, phone, telephony, all the respective labels. I want to get some images for that. I want to get a link of images for that. So I'm clicking on get link. So I got a link which supplies all the images. So this is the link. So I got a gadget of phone of by searching automobile, lightning, telephony, portable by all the labels. And by searching all the labels in the Google search, I'm able to get these pictures. So that's the functionality. Let's try with the other image. So I'm continuing with my Facebook credentials, and I want to continue with this picture. So I got something like a row, jaw, and big cat. So I want to get a link. So this link, and I wanted to go to respective one. See, I got a big cat, one big flopper, lions about these respective. So by searching about the labels in the Google, we are getting the images. So that's the functionality part. And now how we have integrated with the Facebook, I'll show that regarding the Facebook. Facebook for developers, I log in with my credentials, my Facebook credentials. After that, I created one project P1. For that, I got app ID. This app ID I used in my code, in my Eclipse ID, so that I can interlink this thing. Here in the settings.basic, I gave my respective URL, right? So I'll get access, and I'm able to convert that using Graph API Explorer. In that, I gave a user photo, so I'm getting the photos from the Facebook. So this is the thing I'm doing here in the Facebook for developers. Uh, and the next I want you to go. I want to explain the Google Cloud Platform. Yeah, in the Google Cloud Platform also I created a project called Facebook IXC3, and I gave Google Cloud API. Uh, I enabled that Google Cloud API. And in the Google Cloud Data Store, we can see the hashtags which we have generated. Oh, it's all, asking for the login. Let's log in this. So I log in using my credentials in the Google Cloud platform. There is a data store. In this data store, in the entities, we are getting some we are getting some labels here from the images. So I clicked on iPhone XR. So I'm getting these mobile phone, these things. So with respect to automobile, road. So these are the images which I have selected from the uh, uh, photos which we displayed in the UI. So I'm able to generate image URLs and labels. So even in the dashboard, we are getting user images also. You can see even that. So this is Google Cloud Platform, and let's come to the GitWiki. When we done the GitWiki for this, so regarding the demonstration, how we have done this one, so we can go through that. So this is the project which we have done. For this, we have an exception. Uh, Give me a moment. Actually, we need to get the images here instead of a URL, but uh, we are not able to get that images because Google has kept a particular restriction for us. So the cost of the Google API provide this because it's a student project, and any usage beyond a free usage quota, which is around 100 calls, 100 free queries per day. So beyond that, we should pay around $5 per 1,000 queries, and that 100 queries will over just in 10 minutes. So we are not able to fetch the get the images from the respective ones. So we are not able to display that images. If we are able to get the images, just we can display that in the UI. So once we enable the billing account, we'll get 100 free credits. But after that, we get charged around $5 per 1,000 queries. So we didn't implement that part. But we have an alternative for that. We can scrape the results from the Google Images. I want to show an example. Like here, click on inspect. I can scrape the images. But if Google identifies that we are using these images, they will even deactivate our Google or they will block us. So we don't want to do that. So that's why we are providing a link here to get here. And yeah, that's it, our functionality. And let's implement here with the other image. I want to go with this nature. Yes, get a link. We got the labels and we got a respective link, and that link shows a beautiful nature. So these are the labels. I searched in Google, then I got the images, respective images. So yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you.